in the infinite expanse of the cosmos, where time folds upon itself like layers of cosmic silk, a revelation unfolds above our fragile blue planet. For the first time in recorded history, NASA has confirmed that Earth, the cradle of life, now shares its journey around the Sun with a silent companion, a quasi-moon, a shadowed witness to our orbit, a mysterious traveler that has remained unobserved for decades, yet has been quietly entwined with our world since the 1960s. This celestial visitor, known as 2025 PN7, is small in form yet vast in implication, a fragment of the universe that reminds us of the delicate choreography of planetary motion, the hidden symmetries that govern the solar system, and the intimate interplay between matter, space, and time. 2025 PN7 does not orbit Earth as our familiar moon does. It drifts in a co-orbital embrace, tracing loops and arcs around the Sun that bring it near enough to share our celestial neighborhood, yet distant enough to remain independent, a companion without claim, a visitor without anchor. Its presence is ephemeral and enduring at once, a paradox that challenges our understanding of what it means to be a satellite, to be a companion, to be in orbit. Measuring scarcely 18 to 36 meters across, it would be dismissed as insignificant were it not for the profound truth it embodies. Even the smallest fragment of matter, moving in alignment with our planet, can reveal secrets of cosmic harmony, of gravitational poetry, of a universe in motion. The discovery of 2025 of PN7 illuminates the hidden architecture of our solar system. For decades, it has been a silent observer, entwined with Earth's orbit, a quasi-moon following a looping trajectory that intersects with our path in subtle and predictable ways. It is a reminder that Earth is not solitary, that our journey through space is accompanied by companions both known and unknown, that the dance of gravity choreographs relationships we barely perceive. NASA's observatories, reaching to the farthest edges of detection, have captured its light, confirming its trajectory and revealing a story long hidden within the archives of our solar observations. This is the story of an unheralded companion, a cosmic witness, a silent participant in the march of time and matter. The science behind quasi-moons is as fascinating as it is complex. These near Earth objects share the Earth's orbit around the Sun, yet do not succumb to the pull of our gravity in the conventional sense. They follow paths determined by the intricate balance of forces, looping around in what can only be described as celestial poetry, oscillating between proximity and distance, engaging in a slow, silent bullet with our world. Their motions are governed by the immutable laws of physics, yet the patterns they trace reveal a subtle artistry, a cosmic narrative that speaks of the interconnectedness of all things, the harmony that exists in the seemingly chaotic dance of planets and asteroids, the delicate tension between freedom and constraint that defines existence itself. For the next 6 decades until approximately 2083, 2025 PN7 will continue this silent voyage alongside Earth. It will drift with us, a shadow companion, a temporary fixture in the cosmic landscape, reminding us that our planet's neighborhood is not empty, but that the universe is populated by objects that we barely notice, yet that shape the rhythm of space and time around us. Its eventual departure will be a quiet event, unnoticed by most, yet scientifically profound, a subtle reshaping of our celestial environment, a reminder that the cosmos is never static, that nothing remains forever, and that the universe flows in continuous motion, carrying objects, energy, and stories across eons and distances beyond comprehension. The implications of this discovery extend beyond mere observation. Quasi-moons like 2025 PN7 offer a laboratory for understanding gravitational dynamics, planetary defense, and the behavior of near-Earth objects. They challenge our assumptions about what it means to orbit, to accompany, to share a celestial path. They are reminders of the vast unknown, the layers of reality we have yet to perceive, the subtleties of the universe that unfold slowly, patiently, revealing themselves only to those who watch, calculate, and imagine with both rigor and wonder. In contemplating this second moon, we are drawn into metaphysical reflection. What does it mean for Earth to have a companion, even temporarily? What does it tell us about our place in the cosmos, about the fragility and interconnectedness of life, about the patterns that bind us to the stars. 2025 PN7 is more than a rock, it is a symbol, a mirror reflecting our own transient presence in the vastness of space, a whisper of the forces that shaped the solar system and continue to shape it in silence. Its orbit speaks to impermanence, to companionship without ownership, to movement without mastery, to observation without interference. As we gaze upward, imagining this distant traveler circling alongside the Earth, we are reminded of the universality of motion, of the unseen threads that tie together worlds, of the cosmic choreography that proceeds indifferent to our presence yet intimately entwined with our experience. 2025 PN7 moves with us, yet apart, bound by physics yet free, a celestial paradox, a cosmic reflection, a reminder that even in the emptiness of space, relationships exist, patterns emerge, and the universe reveals its secrets in the trajectories of objects, both great and small. The public response to this discovery has been one of awe and curiosity. Some have imagined tides influenced, climates shifted, destinies altered. Yet scientists are clear 2025 PN7 poses no threat. Its mass is infinitesimal compared to the Moon, its gravitational influence negligible, its presence a quiet testament to the precision of celestial mechanics. It is not a threat but a revelation, not a danger but a teacher, not a spectacle but a story. Its existence challenges us to expand our understanding, to embrace complexity, to see beyond the immediate and perceive the cosmic patterns that define our universe. Over the coming decades, astronomers will continue to track this quasi-moon, its motions mapped with ever greater precision. Its presence will inspire new research, provoke philosophical inquiry, and remind humanity that the heavens are alive with movement, interaction, and subtle connection. It is a messenger, a symbol, a companion in the truest metaphysical sense present. Observed, understood yet mysterious, bound by the laws of physics yet free in its silent journey. As 2025 PN7 continues its voyage, we are invited to meditate upon the ephemeral nature of companionship, the impermanence of proximity, the eternal rhythms of space. We are called to recognize that the universe is vast, layered, and complex, that even the smallest objects carry significance, and that our understanding of reality is constantly evolving. The quasi-moon is both teacher and witness, a silent chronicler of Earth's orbit, a metaphysical mirror reflecting the interplay of freedom and constraint, presence and absence, motion and stillness. In the cosmic theater, 2025 PN7 reminds us that nothing is truly solitary. Earth itself, while unique in its capacity to harbor life, is enmeshed in a network of objects, forces, and trajectories that stretch across space and time. The quasi-moon's looping orbit is a poetic echo of our own journey through existence, a reflection of the balance between independence and companionship, isolation and interconnection. Its story is a microcosm of the universe, a reminder that even in silence, relationships unfold, and even in apparent chaos, harmony prevails. This is the nature of cosmic revelation. It arrives quietly, unnoticed, until science observation and contemplation reveal it. 2025 PN7 has traveled with us for decades, hidden in plain sight, a shadow companion that challenges our perception, broadens our understanding, and deepens our sense of wonder. Its departure in 2083 will mark the end of an era. Yet its memory will remain etched in scientific records, in the consciousness of those who study the heavens, and in the metaphysical reflection of humanity's place in the cosmos. Through this lens, the quasi-moon becomes more than an astronomical curiosity. It is a teacher of patience, of observation, of cosmic humility. It is a reminder that the universe is abundant, with relationships we have yet to perceive, that motion and presence are more complex than they appear, and that even the smallest companion can illuminate truths far greater than its physical form suggests. Its journey is a metaphor, a parable, a cosmic allegory, illustrating that companionship, observation, and understanding are eternal processes unfolding quietly in the spaces between stars. And so, as 2025 PN7 continues its silent path alongside Earth, we are called to witness, to contemplate, and to marvel. We are reminded that the universe is alive with motion, connection, and meaning, that even the tiniest fragment of matter can reflect the vastness of space, and that our planet, our lives, and our stories are entwined with countless unseen travelers. In the presence of this quasi-moon, we glimpse the infinite, we sense the delicate balance of existence, and we are invited to consider not only the mechanics of the cosmos, but the poetry of its silent, eternal motion. The journey of 2025 PN7 is, in truth, a reflection of all journeys. It is the movement of life through time, the interplay of freedom and constraint, the subtle weaving of presence and absence. It is the unfolding of order from apparent randomness, the quiet affirmation that the universe is both comprehensible and mysterious, predictable and infinite, immediate and eternal. In the shadow of this temporary companion, Earth continues its orbit, life persists, and humanity stands in awe, recognizing that even in the vast emptiness of space, meaning is woven through motion, connection, and the silent dialogue of objects in orbit. As we follow the path of 2025 PN7, we are reminded of our own impermanence, our own role as observers, participants, and contemplators. The universe offers no guarantees, no permanence, only the dance of matter, the echo of forces, and the patterns that emerge from the interplay of mass, motion, and time. Our second moon, though temporary, embodies the eternal truths of the cosmos, that nothing is isolated, that every trajectory is connected, and that even fleeting companions can illuminate the profound structure of existence. In the grand tapestry of the solar system, 2025 PN7 occupies a small but significant thread. Its orbit is a lesson in patience, observation, and wonder. Its presence is a testament to the subtlety of celestial mechanics and the elegance of cosmic law. Its eventual departure is a reminder that all phenomena are transient, that observation and comprehension are privileges, and that the universe, in its infinite complexity, continues to offer new revelations to those who seek to perceive them. The story of 2025 PN7 is more than astronomy, it is philosophy, it is meditation, it is a narrative of cosmic companionship. It is the recognition that even within apparent isolation, objects and forces coalesce in relationship. It is the acknowledgement that Earth, our home, is part of a larger cosmic orchestra, in which each note, each movement, each trajectory contributes to the harmony of existence. It is a reminder that our perception is but one lens, that countless phenomena unfold unnoticed, and that the universe speaks in languages of motion, gravity, and resonance that we are only beginning to comprehend. In the silent vigil of this quasi-moon, we find reflection upon our own existence, the patterns of our lives, the cycles of our civilizations. 2025 PN7 does not judge, it does not interfere, it merely exists, tracing loops that echo the rhythm of the Earth, marking time on a scale incomprehensible to human minds, yet intimately bound to our planetary journey. Its presence invites us to consider the impermanence of life, the interconnectedness of beings, and the vastness of the cosmos that enfolds us. Even as decades pass and observations continue, the lessons of 2025 PN7 remain. It is a teacher of humility, illustrating the smallness of human concerns against the backdrop of orbital mechanics and solar gravitation. It is a teacher of awe, revealing the elegance with which celestial bodies interact, seemingly simple yet infinitely complex. It is a teacher of presence, reminding us that observation itself is an act of participation in the unfolding of the universe. The quasi-moon, though unnoticed for so long, has become a bridge between the tangible and the metaphysical, the known and the unknowable, the temporal and the eternal. As 2083 approaches, when this silent companion drifts away, humanity will have witnessed a rare cosmic event, a temporary companionship that has spanned decades. It is a story that speaks to our capacity to observe, to understand, and to marvel. It is a story that connects physics with philosophy, astronomy with contemplation, motion with meaning. And though 2025 PN7 will eventually leave our orbit, the awareness of its presence will remain, inspiring generations to look upward, to perceive the subtle interconnections of the cosmos, and to recognize that even the smallest companions can reveal the vastness of existence. In the end, the tale of Earth's second moon is a meditation upon impermanence, relationship, and cosmic harmony. It invites us to witness the quiet poetry of the universe, to contemplate the hidden orders that govern motion and existence, and to embrace the awe that comes from recognizing our place within the infinite. It teaches us that companionship need not be permanent to be profound, that presence need not be monumental to be meaningful, and that the universe, in all its complexity, is a continuous story unfolding silently, majestically, eternally around us.